Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are greatly blessed and everyone is safe and sound at at your home. Today, with the grace of Allah Almighty, we will do the some grammar skills and we will learn some rules today that are very important for doing our today's work, and these rules will apply on different numbers and forms of verbs. Let's try to understand. Today our activity is about the singular plural. First we have to understand what are the singular plural's exact name. In grammar, in linguistics, in language, number is a grammatical category of nouns, pronouns, adjective, etc. The collective name that we use for singular plural is basically number, but we are not up to the high level. That's why we'll use and we know this singular plural by its name. First we have to understand a singular, a noun that denotes one person, place or thing is called singular. For example, boy, book, etc. It means these are one boy, one book. If we say that singular book, singular boy, it means one. It means we are talking about the quantity, number of peoples. And second one is plural, a noun that denotes more than one. It means two or more than two. More than one person, place or thing is called plural. For example, boys. Boys is plural because it's a more than one. Books is a plural of book, and it shows that there are more than one books. Here are some rules of making plurals of singular words. Let's try to understand one by one. Add s to most words, for example, frog, frogs. Rule number 2, when we have to add es, when the words end with the s, x, sh and ch, it means there are four words who ends with the s, x, sh and ch. After these words, for making these words, we have to add the es for making the plurals. For example, box, boxes, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, bunch, bunches. These are the words. These are some words who ends with the x, s, h, sh and ch. For making the plurals of these kinds of the words, we have to add es. Point number 3, drop the last letter and add yes to most words ending in fe. For example, thief. The last letter of the thief is f. Same is the case with the fe. And fe is the last letter, and we have to remove the f, and fe for making plural we have to add ves. But in some words which ends with f becomes plural with the addition of only s. For example, chief. We have to remember some rules and exceptional cases. Change the y to I and add es when to most words ending in y with the consonant before it. For example, puppies. Y is okay. We have to change y with the is, but if the consonant is before the y, then we have to replace the y with the ies. Dear students, अगर आखिरी ज़्यादा पॉइंट नंबर 1 में हम देखा कि अगर आखिरी लफ्ज़ कोई भी हो तो उसमें ज़्यादातर वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हमने क्या करना है, एस ऐड करना है। अगर पॉइंट नंबर 2 में हमने समझा देखा कि अगर लास्ट लेटर क्या है, एस है, एक्स है, एस एच है या सी एच है, तो उसका प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हमने ई एस को ऐड करना है। अगर लास्ट लेटर एफ या एफ ई है तो हमने उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए वी एस ऐड करना है। लेकिन कुछ ऐसे केसेस हैं जहाँ जिसका लास्ट लेटर एफ है लेकिन उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हम वी ई एस नहीं यूज़ करते बल्कि सिंपली एस यूज़ करते हैं। ये भी हमने बात याद रखनी है। पॉइंट नंबर 4 में हमने क्या देखना है कि अगर वाई से पहले कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं, वावल साउंड वावल नहीं है, वावल कितने ए ई आई ओ यू, अगर ये नहीं है तो हमने क्या करना है, वाई के बाद वाई को किससे रिप्लेस करना है, आई एस से। वाई को किससे रिप्लेस करना है, आई एस से। जैसा कि हम एग्जांपल में देख सकते हैं पपी, हमने क्या किया, वाई की जगह क्या की ऐड किया, आई एस। नेक्स्ट रूल्स, पॉइंट नंबर 5, add es to most words that end in an o unless it ends in double o। फॉर एग्जाम्पल पोटैटो, पोटैटोज। ज़्यादातर अल्फाज जिनका लास्ट वर्ड क्या है, ओ है, तो उनको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हमने ई एस ऐड करना है। अगर डबल होगा तो हमने ई एस ऐड नहीं करना। पॉइंट नंबर 6, when irregular noun change into plural, double o changes into double e, foot, feet, double o। Same is the case with the tooth, teeth। Point number 7, sometimes a changes into e in the mid of the word. For example, man, men, woman, women। There are also some rules that we learn later but these rules will apply in today's lectures. Here are some 20 words. Dear students, you have to apply them, almost 20. Dear students, you have to apply the rules that we have learned here, and I hope that you will do with the rules easily. Classmates, activities, discoveries, benches, potatoes, minutes, storybooks, thieves, leaves, dishes, story, mangoes, knives, teeth, men, families, possibilities, children, lilies. Next one is about the forms of words. First we have to see that what is verb. Verb is a word used to describe an action or state. We have to remember the definition of the word. Word is an action or state. Basically, word is a word used to describe an action or state. There are a lot of the kinds, but we will focus on these two kinds, regular verb and irregular verbs. And first we will learn the regular verb. Regular verbs are those whose past tense and past participles are formed by adding d or an ed to the end of the verb, end of the word. Dear students, रेगुलर वर्ब बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है, पास्ट टेंस पहले तो देखने के रेगुलर कैसे है। जिन रेगुलर वर्ब्स कौन से होते हैं, जिनका पास्ट यानी कि सेकंड फॉर्म एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, इट मीन्स थर्ड फॉर्म, सेकंड और थर्ड फॉर्म क्या हो, कैसे बनती है, उनके लास्ट में डी और ई डी ऐड किया जाता है। नॉर्मली ये तीनों नॉर्मली सेकंड और थर्ड सेम होती हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल पास्ट, पास्ट, यूज, यूज्ड। फर्स्ट में हमने क्या किया, पास्ट में ई डी ऐड किया और सेकंड वाले में जस्ट हमने डी ऐड किया। कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट, इरेगुलर वर्ब्स। Irregular verbs are those whose past tense and past participles are different. It means कि उनकी सेकेंड पास्ट टेंस और क्या है, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स क्या है, डिफरेंट. सेकेंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म क्या है, डिफरेंट है, एक जैसी नहीं. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. ब्रेक, ब्रोक, ब्रोकन. Bring, brought, brought. We can see that these forms are formed by just adding d, ed and d, and these forms are not formed by d and ed. There are different, a lot of the rules that apply on the irregular verbs. Let's try to make some past form and past participle form. Mix, need, paid, past, polished, said, smiled, started, talked, tasted, used, visited, watched, wish, worked. Dear students, I hope that you will able to do these forms of verbs very easily, and take care of yourself and rest of your family. But along with that, you have to make your future bright by studying regularly. Do your work regularly and make sure your confidence on your abilities, and work hard and stay blessed. Thank you.